Hello! Thank you for choosing Hot Spring Spas and Pool Tables 2 for your hot tub and pool needs. This short video is all about how to easily care for the water in your hot tub. No matter which water care system you're using, whether it's the saltwater system, the standard chlorine program, or the frog mineral system, a basic understanding of water care is all you need to make any program more effective. And you can become a water care expert in just 6 easy steps. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Circulation. Keeping your water moving is key. Circulating water is easier to keep clean. Think about a pond in late August. It's probably green, right? That's what happens when water sits still. If your hot tub has a 24-hour circulation pump, your water care routine will be even easier, but if it doesn't, the jet pumps will turn on when the hot tub calls for heat and will keep your water circulating. In a swimming pool, it's always best to run your filtration system 100% of the time. Step 2, filtration. The more filters your hot tub has, the better. Pairing a strong filtration with a 24-hour circulation pump keeps your water sparkling clean. But remember, cosmetics. Oily lotions and laundry detergent in your bathing suits are the biggest enemies of your filters. To keep them working well, make sure to chemically clean your filters regularly. For more tips, check out our video on how to effectively clean your hot tub filters. Step 3. Testing your water. We test several things in your hot tub's water, but the 2 main ones are sanitation levels. This ensures your water stays crystal clear and safe, and pH levels. Think of this as the comfort level of your water and protection for your hot tub's internal equipment. Step 4. Cleaning. In addition to cleaning your filters regularly, don't forget to wipe down the surface of your hot tub, especially the areas above the water line, under the filter lid, as well as under the pillows. Step 5. Chemical treatment. This is the program you're using to maintain your hot tub. Whether you're using salt water, chlorine, or the frog system, we're here to help you choose the best option for you and your hot tub or swimming pool. Make sure to watch the video specific to the system you've selected. Step 6. Draining and refilling your hot tub. At some point, you'll need to drain and refill your hot tub. How often you do this depends on a few factors. We'll help you figure out the right schedule and walk you through the process based on your specific hot tub model. There you go. 6 easy steps to become a hot tub water care expert. Follow these steps and you will experience far fewer problems with your hot tub. As always, if you have any questions, reach out to the customer outreach specialist and they'll be happy to help.